Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to remove card from Patreon, guys. So first of all, you need to log into your Patreon account and then you need to find settings in the left menu. So just click it and then you need to look at the more and you need to click this drop down menu right here. You need to select payment methods and right here you will see your card which is linked to Patreon account. So you can just click the delete button right here and you will delete your card from Patreon. You can also view the memberships right here. So this card is used to pay for the memberships. So you can just click view right here. I have got only one membership. If you want to cancel the membership, guys, it's also very simple. You can just click the membership in the top and you need to click view details, and right here is the button cancel membership. So that's all I want to show you. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.